Hi everyone, I'm Siyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to read all chats at once on Telegram. Marking all chats as read can help you manage notifications and keep track of new messages easily. So let's get started on how to read all chats at once on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your device. In the chat section, tap on the edit button from the top left corner of your screen. At the bottom left corner, you will see the Read All option. Tap on it. Now, all your unread messages will be marked as read. And this is how you can read all chats at once on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.